I've got a couple of exterior cameras here that I'm hoping will be a solution to a couple of problems. Oh, my friend Bill here. Hey, Bill, how you doing?
Hello, Alan. How you doing,
Oh,
man?
good. All right. You got my curiosity up.
Okay.
And you said, bring me some sort of trail camera. What's the story here?
Well, when you live a little out in the country like we do, there are all kinds of varmints around,
Yeah.
and we try to have a little garden. Right now there's just lettuce in there, but just the night before last, the rabbits got in there and ate most of our lettuce.
Well, I think you'll like this. This is brand new. It's called an Outback camera. What I love about this, Bill, is the fact that you don't have to have power to this. Battery operated. It's in a weatherproof case. It operates only by motion sensor, so it's only when something comes by then it's going to start activating. It's got the infrared, so you got night vision, and it records everything right here. You can actually strap this to a tree, to a post, anything, and we'll find out.
So it's completely self-contained?
No, it's completely self-contained. Wow. Everything actually records inside this. So I think this will solve the issue there. But beyond this now, there was something that was of a little more concern.
It's the same situation. When you live in a partially rural area, you're a little more concerned about security.
Right.
And the way this house is built, and of course we have neighbors that can see the front of the house,
right.
But back here, if anybody was going to break in this house or try to do something like that, I think they would have to come in through this back area.
Well, I would tend to agree looking around. Now, a couple of things here for you. I notice you've got floodlights over here on this side.
Right.
However, if they come in on this side, they're going to bypass the light. So that's, again, we're going to go to cameras here. And again, here's where we're going to go to something wireless. If you're shopping for one, and this is one I picked out for you because I think you'll like this. This is digital now. The old cameras, Bill, you remember, I mean, these cameras have been around for a long time.
Yeah.
They used to work on analog, and you'd get all the lines, and it just this, you get no interference. It's all digital, wireless technology. It, again, is on infrared lights, so it's going to see anything in the dark, up to 32 feet in the dark.
Sounds great. I can't wait to see how it works.